Sama, Caronia.
Kaya dapat mga kakaibang i-video mo. May segment ang bubblegum nun yung sila ni Ogie tsaka si si Michael V.
Oh yeah.
Parang kapatid na
Sakit sa katawan.
Hindi naman.
Doon ako sa malayo.
Presenting.
Once right. That's a trip.
Shit.
Ayan ko.
Parang ganito
Okay, ikaw kumuha sa amin.
Kailangan nung bro,
Ano yun?
Sorry. Sumasakit yung bata ko. Please, please.
Yeah, hip hop. Yeah, my man. Yo, what's up, yo?
Alam nyo, mali yung kuha nyo. Dapat nakaganto lang talaga siya kasi stiff neck ang abot ng manonood nito.
Okay, sige, yun. Okay. Ano lang.
Okay na. Okay. So,
Hyper ka.
enjoy watching and you, my man.
Yeah.
Gosh. So, can I just trash this?
No.
Kasi medyo...
Yo.
Yes, okay. Okay, go.
Yo.
Yo, my homies, welcome to my crib, and this is the Ongski. If you wanna ask her, just ask her anything, and she'll answer it.
Let's go to the kitchen. This
This is the bathroom.
No.
You wanna see it? Bathroom with tabo and what you call this? Balde.
Palanggana.
Yes, palanggana, tubig.
So,
Then,
who's that? Ay.
It's the oldest member of KISS. His name is Moods.
Who's she?
If you wanna ask her to...
This is the bar.
Yes.
Yeah, with clothes.
Yes.
Okay. Bar with clothes. Okay. So what else do you have here? Wow.
This is my pet. His name is Maximo Ipis. Yes,
Oh, okay.
that's him.
Okay. Cute one, huh? Cute one.
Yes.
Cute one.
Right about here, lives the...
There's someone sleeping.
Yes.
Okay.
He's the someone. How about you, guy?
Well, I shall describe it to you. And this our maid. Her name is Inday.
Oh, Inday. Nice to meet you, Inday.
She speaks all the languages.
Yes. Oh, how many pics?
Give him a sample.
Amigo.
Oh, so what's all right about here?
Yeah, you only see the person. This is
What?
my this is my gym actually.
Oh, gym. Oh yes, the
That's where I
barbell
used to
thing,
go.
no?
Gain my weights. You see this thing is typically.
Oh, so it's rotating and so it's multiple use.
Sorry.
Oh my God, kita ko.
See this?
Oh, what's that?
It's called patis.